Stuff on Temu seemed to be really cheap, and I saw this drone for $27. And it has everything. It has an SD card, it has a camera. So I ordered it and it arrived. This is the box. And that's the box from the other side. And inside the box, there's a pouch with a zipper. Nice quality pouch too. And inside the pouch, there's the drone, the controller. Feels really well made. That's the battery slot. That's the camera in the front with the two lights. And it has all these accessories. It has two batteries. Those are the batteries. And it has like extra propellers and extra things. I don't know how they do this. $27 all shipped. It also comes with an app which allows you to take photos and videos from the drone's camera, and it will send it and store it on your phone through your Wi-Fi data connection off your phone data. So right now the image on this smartphone here is off the drone's camera. So I want to show you the quality, but it's a bit tough because I'm filming a smartphone with my smartphone, and the image is coming off the drone to that smartphone. So the quality is actually pretty good. It's smartphone quality video here. See, right now I just got it to focus. Got my smartphone to focus on the other smartphone. But it's pretty good. You also have some options for the video quality. You can have higher resolution video files, high resolution pictures, or if you have limited space, you can dial down the resolution and have smaller files. And for a while I thought Temu was either a scam or BS quality stuff, but this is pretty good. And we're gonna fly this thing right now, just play around with it. So the rest of this video is just gonna be us playing around and getting to learn how to fly this thing, and you know, see how far it can go and how long it lasts. We ended up flying this thing for about 20 minutes until we had enough sun and we left, but it still had juice in it. Let's learn how to get it to hover first, and then we move slightly in some directions just to get used to it. We don't want to get too brave and too we don't want to get too overconfident with it too quick and run out of talent and skill to end up losing this thing. But it's pretty cool flying around here. Don't let it get too far. Yeah, we don't want to lose this thing in a tree or at the roof of some building here. But it's pretty easy to control. It's not that hard. I've flown drones before, so it's pretty easy to control, pretty easy to fly, as long as you stay humble a little bit and don't get too carried away. Wow, that's really high now. That's getting really high in the air. We ended up losing control of this thing because sometimes you forget which direction is forward, because it looks the same from all sides, right? So we crashed it twice. The last time we crashed it really hard, but nothing happened to it. It's built really well and it's lightweight, and I mean, it's a flying thing, right? So it can't be heavy, because you need more battery and more thrust to counteract that. Yeah, it's designed to be crashed, and there was no damage to it at all. One thing I found out with, because it's the first time we're buying off Temu, is their shipping is a bit different than Amazon's. It's a bit slower. But I'm satisfied with this product, and it's crashed, but it will live to fly another day.